Hi everybody and welcome to the channel. Let me just get started by telling you what this channel is going to be. This channel is actually going to be makeup, it's going to be unboxings, it's going to be maybe Amazon hauls and things like that. Anything I purchase, I'm going to be putting on the channel. So welcome to my channel. I really appreciate you guys being here. And today we're going to be doing a mystery box from Makeup Geek. So I've actually already done a couple and I've already unboxed them and put them away. And I have some pieces here that I'll show you at the end. And also the Makeup Geek product that I own, which I do own their big palette, which I absolutely love. It's actually what I'm wearing today on my eyes. So yeah, so I'm going to show you that stuff afterwards, but I am really excited about getting into this box. So opening up the box. Gonna have some tissue paper, but it's also got stuff in it. Now, I don't remember if I got one or two. I think I got two of the $10 mystery boxes. I had already purchased one and it was so good that I think I got two more. I've purchased the $50 one, which they don't have anymore. And then I purchased a $20 one and another $10 one. And now I purchased some more. So I really like Makeup Geek and the price can't be beat. So we're gonna go ahead and open this up. So first of all, I've got this, I've got this, and I've got this. So I've got all that, and in addition to that, I've got this, and I've got this. I'm telling you, for mystery box, Makeup Geek really has like me coming back.
Oh wait, there's more.
Another one. And another one. What these are actual Z palettes that you can put the eyeshadows in, because they do send them separately. And I'm just going to check my receipt real quick. And yes, I have two of the $10 mystery boxes. So yay. So let's go ahead and go into it. So I'm guessing, let me try to split this out. So this would be one with two of the Z palettes. This would be a second one with two of the Z palettes. And then I've got, in this one, I've actually got four different things. So two would be for one and two would be for the other. Now, being that I've already done the mystery boxes already, if I have any duplicates, I'm going to be setting them aside for a future giveaway. And I'll let you know about that. So I'm really excited. So I'm going to go ahead and open the first one, which is going to be these two Z palettes. So I'm going to show you what they look like. And I actually already have some for my other $10 for my other $10 mystery box. But what they are is they've actually got like already 4 holes in it, and you just go ahead and put in your eyeshadows. The ones in this mystery box are actually the round pan eyeshadows. They're now going to the square eyeshadows, so which are in their bigger palettes that I actually own, and I'll show you that later on. As I mentioned, yes, I kind of repeat myself, but these are actually for the round pan eyeshadows. And they're just as good. The formula and everything is just as good. It's just that they're going to be going to the square format. So that's nice. And of course, I've got two of those. And then we've got some eyeshadows. That's what all of these are. And there are a total of 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 eyeshadows, or 10 things in here. I'm going to go ahead and open this up. This is really exciting. I love Makeup Geek. If you haven't tried them, as far as I know, they still have the $10 mystery bags. But I think the other ones are sold out, if I'm not mistaken. So they come really nicely packaged with like a rubber band on them. So I'm just going to take this off. And at the end, I'm going to see what I already have, if I don't recognize the names. And then, oh my gosh, we're just going to go through them. So the first one that we have is like this nice, it's like a purpley brown. And this one is Crossfade. And that's what that looks like. And my lights are probably a little bit too bright, but that's Crossfade. Then we've got, this one's like a brown, like a blue. Let me see what it is. This one is like a black. Oops, I just stuck my nail right in it. So this one, yeah, this one is like a black. And this one is called, and they have all the shades on the back, Midnight Waltz, and that's what that looks like. It's like a really pretty black. And got my napkin right there, and I'll go ahead and put this one back. That one was like, is it a blue? Is it a black? We've got that one. We've got this one, which is like a white, and this one is Mirror. like a white cream. Yeah, like a white cream. Oh, and then we've got this pretty light green. I don't think I have this in mine. And this one is Leaving So Soon. How pretty is that? That's a really nice green. I really like that. And then we've got like this, it's like a pink slash maybe like a peach. And this one is called In the Spotlight. Really pretty. Then we've got this one here, which is called Latte Cappuccino. It's like a nice brown, really nice. I got that one. Ooh, this one's a purple. This one's called Hype, and it's a foiled eyeshadow. It's a really pretty purple. And then we've got this one, and this one is called Grandstand. And this one is also one of those same types of shimmers. And then this one is Stardust. That's more white. And then we've got like, this has got like that gray, like a blue slash maybe leaning towards a teal. And this one is Surfs Up. It's like a blue leaning towards a teal. So that is for the first ones. Oh my gosh, there's already 10 there. And then of course, 2 Z palettes. And then I'm gonna pull out 2 of these things, one of each, see what they are. Now, if I do get duplicates, that's fine because that's gonna be part of the giveaway then. But yeah, so, oh, I got 2 different colors, I think. Okay, so, nope, I think these are the same. Okay, so I'm gonna leave that one here. This one goes with this one. And then this one is Curfew. Okay, and then another eyeshadow. This one's called Curfew. This is like a purple, but it's really pretty purple, kind of violet purple, but dark. So we got that one, and then we've also got a bronzer, which they do have bronzers as well. And this one is called Half-Hearted. And this is like a warm, this is a warm medium. So that's what that looks like. So that is all of the first $10 grab bags. So I'm really excited. Or $10 mystery box. So the next one, again, we have 2 of the Z palettes. We're gonna have loosely, there's gonna be this eyeshadow. This one is Tinseltown, and this is like sort of like a gray, but it's got like a reflect of like maybe like a brown in it. It's really pretty. We do have another Half-Hearted bronzer, and then we've got another pack of eyeshadows. Let's go ahead and open these up. Wow. Ugh. Okay, so opening these up again, we've got 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 eyeshadows. Again, very nicely packed. And let's see if we got the same or different. So far I see one that's different. So this first one, this is like a shimmery, like a reddish maroon, and this one is called Curtain Call. This one's called Curtain Call. And that one I don't have. This one is called Grandstand. I think we just opened that one. That one's like a copper. If we didn't, then, you know, then I would have it. And then this one is called Artemis. This is like a cream shadow. Then we've got this one that is called Nostalgic. And this one's like a pink shimmer also. And then we've got like another blue. I think we already did this one. This one is Surfs Up. We've got another one. This one is called Spirited. That's one, I really like this. I really like oranges and corals and things like that. And then we've got this one, which is Egyptian Queen. That's pretty. That is like a grayish purplish. It's really pretty. I like that. And then we've got a really nice bright kind of like salmon color. This one's called Summer Lovin'. Then we've got this one, which is called Tinseltown, which we already had. So I know that that's a duplicate. And then we've got So Pale. So those are the ones that we have. Again, at the end, off camera, I'm going to go ahead and, or at the end, I'm going to see which ones are duplicates so that we can go ahead and pass them on. Now what I'm going to do, those are the ones that I just got. What I'm going to do now is show you what I've gotten previously. Now, first off, my very first thing from Makeup Geek was this palette. I absolutely love this palette. It is what I'm wearing today. They have a neutral one and then they have a colorful one. I went for the colorful one, but it still has like some neutral colors, but more on the orangey side. So I really, really like this. I use it all the time. I actually went and ordered another Z palette like this so I could put all my shadows in it instead of having them in the 4-pan Z palettes, because it's just easier for me. These are two of the ones that I had received before, and this is Prom Night. I didn't have a palette to put it in. And this one is Rocket Change. So there we go. And then in addition to that, I had received, and this one, I remember this one being in the $50 box. I got 2 eyeliners. One is actually their new nude. These are their brand new eyeliners. So I'm really, really happy. The nude is what I have on today. Really, really nice. It lasts all day. It's very, very pigmented. And then I have a purple one. This is a purple one like this. This one. There you go. You can see that. Really, really nice as well. I like that. And then they just came out with a mascara. So I do have the Makeup Geek mascara. That's what it looks like right there. And this one says Extension Effect Mascara. And I've already, I have this one on my eyes as well. And that's what the wand looks like. Really, really nice. And then in addition to that, in the $50 box, because I remember the $50 box had some eyeshadows, and then I had those things, and it also had a pair of lashes. These lashes are actually their Isabella. Now these, I won't even lie, I'm not going to be wearing these, so these will be also going in the giveaway because I've been holding them just in case so that I can do a giveaway. So these will be going in the giveaway. They're really, really pretty, but I'm not good at lashes at all, like at all. So we'll go ahead and do that. Now for the colors that I received before, I don't know the names. I'm going to go and look at them, but I'm pretty sure that a few of these are actually the same. But this was one of the Z palettes that I received with 4 of the shadows, which I just put in here. Now this one came from the $50 one because it is the square, which matches my palette. So that is that one. And then we have a bronzer. One I already put my nail in, but this one, the color is, oops, the color on this one is Half-Hearted. So I actually have 2 Half-Hearteds. So that was the Z palette that came for that. And then I got the round eyeshadows, the 2 that you saw that are, I don't have a palette for. And then these also came. So again, I'm really sure that I have some of the colors that I just showed you that came in the mystery boxes. And then that's the other one. So yeah, so any duplicates that I have to these, I am going to be doing in a giveaway. I'm going to be putting them aside so that I can do that. If I have enough for 2, then I'll go ahead and do 2. But that is everything that I got from Makeup Geek. And again, even if I said it's a $20, it's still $20. Now, if you don't know, this big palette, these are very, very pricey. This one here, I think I bought it like last summer. These are like $110 or $120 for this. So to get all these eyeshadows for $20, I think is really good. Even the mystery box that I got for $50, having the eyeshadows, the mascara, the eyeliners, the bronzer, all that stuff, as well as those Z palettes, because it's great to have Z palettes, because when you're going away, not that we can do it right now, but when you're going on a trip or something like that, you can actually just go ahead and put your quad in and just take it with the eyeshadows that you think that you're going to be using, rather than carrying them all. So I think that that is amazing. So what I'm going to do is quickly, I'm going to go ahead and look at everything that I have and see what we have as extras, and I'll be right back. All right, so I went and I tallied everything that I have, because there were a couple of the colors are actually in this palette that I already own. So evenly, I'm going to have two winners for the giveaway. The first winner is actually going to get 2 Z palettes so that they have something to put their eyeshadows in. And they're going to get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 eyeshadows and a bronzer. So the first eyeshadow on this one is going to be like that mint green. Then they're going to have like that terracotta blue, really, really pretty blue. But I already own it. Then they're going to have this one here, and this one was the Spirited. So I actually have this color already. Then this one, which is So Pale, because I had a duplicate. Then this one here, which is Tinseltown. So this is Tinseltown. So that is going to be for the first winner plus the bronzer. So that's 1. And then the other one is also going to be getting 2 Z palettes. So 1, 2. Got 2 of those. Plus, you're going to be getting 5 shadows and a bronzer. Same bronzer. So we've got that. Then we've got 5 eyeshadows. Here's the purple. This one is the Curfew. Then we've got this one, which I actually already own, which is Curtain Call, which is like that reddish, kind of maroonish, really, really pretty. Then another one is going to be that same, this one is Surf's Up, which is a really, really pretty light color, but I own that one. And then you're going to get this beautiful, beautiful, coral, which is Surf's Up. Yeah, that one's, no, this one's Summer Lovin'. And then you'll be getting the Tinseltown because I had 2 of those. So yeah, so I'm really, really excited. This is like my first unboxing video for anything really. Well, not really. I did do a BoxyCharm like a year ago or something. But yeah, so I'm really, really excited. Oh, and then one of them, I'm going to go ahead and put the lashes. If I get something else, then I'll go ahead and put it in. Right now, I only have the lashes. So one of them will get lashes in addition to everything else. But the other one, I mean, still, I mean, it's definitely worth more than $10 if you think about it. I mean, you've got 5 eyeshadows, you've got 2 Z palettes, and you've got a bronzer. So, okay, so we're going to go ahead and do the giveaway. So down in the comments, I want you to tell me, just out of the norm, if you've ever tried Makeup Geek. If you haven't, or if you have, what is your favorite product from them? And I want you to leave me the word pan. And don't let, don't just put that, like, here's my entry and the word is pan, because that way people won't just come in and hear giveaway and then they're going to go ahead and just pick the word and put it down. And of course you would have to be subscribed. I would love it if you could share the video with your friends and leave me the comment down below and give the video a like if you liked it. If you didn't, you can give me an unlike. It's the same thing, but it does help me out. And especially being that I'm just getting started, I really, really would appreciate the help. But yeah, so we're going to have 2 winners for the giveaway. I'm actually going to do a randomizer. That's why I wanted you to put in that word. And I'll be picking the giveaway winners, both of them, on April 3rd. And I'll be posting it on my community tab. Again, thank you so much for watching. I really, really enjoyed this. I love Makeup Geek. As I told you, I'm already a proud owner of this palette. And this palette, let me tell you, I went through so many months of like, should I get it? Should I not? Should I get it? Should I not? And I finally got it. And I literally got it right when everything started happening. I think, it was actually last February that I got this. So make sure that you're subscribed and that you hit that bell notification so that you're notified every time that I upload a new video. And I will see you on the next one.